Hi everyone, welcome back. So I have two sub bags here from this Texas Girl Dips and we are going to open them. I've been waiting to open them. I know the themes of them because you do know what the themes are prior to ordering. So I wanted to wait and then use them, and then I wanted to wait for the other one because it kind of fit in the same category. So right there I was debating on which one I was going to open first. So these sub bags, they're actually a non-subscription sub bag. You do have to order each month. So you can see here, the first one here, it is a Star Wars bag, and the other one, I'm just going to let the suspense build up for a moment here, but it always comes with a really fun theme scented cuticle oil, and I love that about it, and this cuticle oil smells so good. And then there's also some fun goodies in here. There is this really fun water decal sheet that goes well with the theme of the bag. So the theme is Star Wars, so we have those water decals, and then we have the fun dips. We have R2-D2, and this one right here is really pretty. Doesn't it look like R2-D2? The colors of these sub bags definitely go so well with the names. You're gonna see that here. It's definitely a trend. But this is one of the sub bags from this Texas Girl Dips, and this was the Star Wars bag. And you can order from the first of the month is when you can sign up for the next month's bag. So like right now you can sign up for June. It is a boho chic sub bag, which is super awesome. And the price point of these sub bags are amazing. They are $22. And when you are ordering these sub bags, you do want to order them separately. Just because they do get sent out at a later time, and it's just easier if you do order the sub bag on its own. But the best part is that each sub bag also has a coupon code that you can use after you receive it. So if you need like dip liquids or dips or anything like that that's catching your eye, you can always use that coupon. So real quick, we're opening that other bag, and it is a Disney princess theme bag, and you know I love Disney, so I was so excited for this bag. And these right here are like these vinyl stickers, and then you are gonna see all the beautiful colors and Belle's. Doesn't that look like Belle's dress? Oh, it's amazing. But back to the subscription bag. So you do want to order it by yourself. The price point is right. So you can order or sign up for this bag from May 1st all the way to the 13th. So the 1st to the 13th of the month, and then the bag ship out around the 7th of each month. So it is a non-reoccurring sub bag, which I really like because you do know the theme ahead of time. So if you are interested in it, you can get that bag. Some of the bags have 4 dips, some have bonuses like you saw here with the 5. But it's just super fun, and I just really like that this sub bag is just so perfectly themed, and you can see the attention to detail that goes into these bags. They're just really cute, and the price point is right. You cannot go wrong. So I will go ahead and link everything that we talked about in today's mani in that description box below for this Texas Girl Dips, and I'll also include the Facebook and the Instagram info. And if you tried any of this Texas Girl Dip sub bags before, let me know which theme was your favorite. I would love to know. And don't forget, the boho chic sub bag is available for signups now, and I'll see you in the next upload.